One of the teachers, and they did a PBL on, this is a project-based learning on ocean life.
Yes, ocean life, because we are headed to the beach and the aquarium tomorrow for a field trip for 4th grade.
Okay, so 4th grade field trip to the aquarium and the beach. What's the whole premise behind the PBL?
Okay, well, they had an ocean life project for an ocean animal. They had to create either a report or a poster about the different topics that I gave them based on their habitat, because we're learning about ecosystems. And then they also had to create a Prezi to get that technology aspect of their information, and then they had to present that to our class to learn about the different types of animals we may see tomorrow at the aquarium.
Okay, all right, so let me go talk to some of the kids and find out their experience with it. All right, guys, what did you guys do here at your table? Happy birthday, buddy. All right, what did you guys do here at your table? What animal did you choose?
Fish.
What was that?
Flying fish.
Flying fish? Okay, why did you choose a flying fish?
Because I thought it was interesting about how it jumped out of the waters like dolphin, but it didn't more often.
Oh, so you chose that topic, huh? Excellent. And then when you did your Prezi presentation on it, when did you do that?
I think I started doing it on the first day that she told me about Prezi.
Okay. Did you know about Prezi before you started?
No.
So you've never done a Prezi before, so that was your first time trying it?
Yes.
Okay. So every kid here has a laptop, and it's a one-to-one school, blended learning school. So they're learning new techniques and new tools. We are just outside of Raleigh, North Carolina area, and just kind of talking to kids about their experience with project-based learning. And what did you choose, Blythe?
I chose shrimp because, one, they're delicious.
Yeah.
Second, what was interesting about them was because shrimp are so small, but yet the female shrimp can lay up to about 1 billion baby shrimp.
Wow. Excellent. So do you think you're going to see some shrimp tomorrow when we go to the ocean?
Probably.
Yeah. All right. So hopefully we'll see millions of them. Okay. And you have that in your scavenger hunt as well, correct?
I don't know.
So when you did your Prezi, have you ever done a Prezi before?
No.
Okay, excellent. So this is your first time doing Prezi? Yes, this is a parent approved. So you did Prezi?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Let's see, anybody else here, guys? What process did you guys use? What was your topic? Anybody?
The moray eel.
Say louder.
Moray eel.
The eel? Oh wow. Okay, how did you come up with that topic?
It was a cool species, and the thing that's cool about it has 2 sets of jaws, one in its throat and one that like a regular person.
Awesome. I've never heard of it. That's my first time, so I'm learning something new as well today. And so you did some research on it? So you used your laptop there to do the research here in class? And then you did a Prezi presentation?
Yes.
Okay, have you ever used Prezi before?
No.
Okay, so how long did it take for you to learn to use the Prezi?
Pretty fast.
A couple days? Awesome. All right, so new technology. And sir, yes sir, what did you use?
I used lobsters because lobsters are like I think they're becoming extinct because some people they'll go out on their boats and they'll go catch lobsters from take the restaurants, and so people can eat them. So why I think lobsters are great because they help us kill all the bad stuff that we don't need to eat.
Excellent. So that's pretty good for a 4th grader, right? Yeah, good research, man. Anybody else? Let's see over here. 4th graders, let's see what else you guys have. Yes, ma'am.
I chose the basking shark because I've had a lot of experience in the past few years with shark projects. I also chose it because sharks have always been something interesting for me.
So you love sharks, huh? You're one of the few people in the world who love sharks. Do you go and cuddle them and give them a hug?
No, I do not go into the ocean.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why I chose the shark. And that's also because there wasn't really any other animals that I really knew anything about.
Okay. Is this your first time doing Prezi as well?
Yes.
Hey, somebody else on here, Don, he loves sharks too, so kudos to you. They said they love sharks as well.
Yay.
Yay. All right. So, Prezi, this is your first time using Prezi?
Yes.
Okay. Did you love it? What do you think about it? Do you think you'll keep using it?
I'm pretty sure we will keep using it. I liked it. It was hard because I wasn't here the first day the class tried it. I was sick, and then the next day I had no idea how to use it, but I got showed from a classmate, so that helped a lot.
Awesome. People helping you out. Anybody else over here? What do you guys have? Yes, ma'am.
I chose the stingray because I thought it was really interesting, and I've seen many stingrays in the past. So I thought if I do my research project on it, I would find a lot of information about it.
All right. So it seems like everybody did something that you guys kind of liked and you chose, right? And when you did the research, where did you look for research?
Well, it was kind of hard because most of them showed stuff that I didn't really want to know because I already knew it. I found most of my stuff on Wikipedia and other sites that I don't really know.
Okay. Hey, I just got word here that a lot of people are going to be invited to listen to you guys right now, so we have to brace ourselves. So we'll just be patient and wait for them to join, and they'll have some questions maybe to ask you guys. And you said Wikipedia. Where did you learn Wikipedia? I don't even use Wikipedia. Tell me what that is.
Wikipedia is kind of like a site that you can search anything up there, and it'll show you all this information about it.
Wow, and you guys are in 4th grade and you know all this stuff? Mm-hmm. Oh, excellent. All right, and what did you do, sir?
I did a blue whale because I think they're fascinating because they are big animals and their tongue is the size, their tongue weighs as much as a fully grown elephant.
Oh.
And their heart is the size of a car.
Excellent. Hey, Lafayette, Indiana, thank you. Hoosier State. We're down here in the Raleigh area, North Carolina. You just had somebody from Lafayette, Indiana say hi and said good to know you, and you did a great job.
Thank you.
All right, very proud of you. All right, anybody else? Yes, ma'am? You had one? Yeah, you clap. You're ready. Okay, anybody else? Yes, sir.
I chose the sea otter because one thing, the other choices didn't seem interesting to me, and the first thing I thought about it was how they swim. They swim on their back to get air because they have lungs like humans and they're mammals like humans.
The sea otter does?
A sea otter is a mammal just like humans. And another thing that interested me when I started researching is that they have the densest fur in the animal kingdom. They have about 250,000 to 1 million hairs per square inch.
Whoa.
Yeah,
that's pretty
it's a
cool.
lot of hair.
And you did all that research by yourself?
Yes, sir.
All right, and you used your laptop there?
Yes, sir. And
All right. For the people out of California, we have some people from California following. You can tell this is the South when everybody says yes, sir, yes, ma'am, which is awesome. Otters enjoy play more than any other animal. Somebody just said that. Did you know that?
yeah, they do actually. They most otters are pretty playful.
Okay.
I
Can you
didn't
have them
really
as
do
pets?
No, I wouldn't. But they are at most zoos. But I wouldn't keep one as my pet.
Okay, excellent. Anybody else over here? Yes, sir. What did you do?
Jellyfish.
You did jellyfish? Okay, and why did you choose jellyfish?
I always was interested on how they move and how they eat.
Oh, that's awesome. What kind of food does jellyfish eat?
Really anything they can catch.
I didn't know that.
They're brainless.
Uh-oh. So they just take anything that's out there
Yep.
and go with it?
Yeah.
Okay, and you did your presentation on Prezi as well?
Yep.
Okay, is this your first time learning about Prezi? What did you like about Prezi?
You can add like background music and pictures.
Okay, so that's pretty good for a 4th grader, huh? All right, and you added all the background music and
No,
pictures?
I didn't have any background music. I just found that, but I was going to put them on there, but I thought, nah.
Okay. Jason just gave us some feedback, told us something.
What?
A fun fact about jellyfish is that they glow in the dark.
I didn't know that.
Oh, you did know that, huh? Is there anything else about jellyfish that you can share with Jason?
You can keep them as pets.
Really? Oh, that's awesome. How long do they last?
No idea.
No idea. Okay, maybe we'll try it here in the classroom. Have it as a pet.
Sure.
Are we allowed to bring one back from the ocean when we go?
Sure, why not?
Persuade the aquarium tomorrow.
Okay.
We've been learning about persuade.
All right, yes, sir.
I did my project on walruses, and the reason I chose them is because I was one of the last people to get called because the jaw. wasn't pulled out
Okay.
until last. And there was shrimp, blue whales, and walruses, and I thought walruses were the coolest one.
Awesome.
So I picked them, and I learned more about them, that they were cooler than I thought.
A lot of student choice here. Teacher, somebody just gave you a suggestion, which is awesome, said that we should Skype with an oceanographer.
Oh, that would be lovely to do tomorrow.
Okay, because we have the capabilities with the digital tech.
Yes, we do.
And the projections, and everything's wireless, so we can just project the Skype on there, or the kids can project the Skype
Thank you for
onto
your
their
suggestion.
onto their laptops. Okay. Yes, sir. We have one last one, and then we're going to get going here. I know this is fun and exciting. Yes, sir.
My animal was a killer whale.
Oh, man. Why did you choose that one?
Because I thought the animal was fascinating and it has no predators at all.
None whatsoever?
None, no predators.
Okay, well, why are the killer whales, are they endangered?
I don't think so.
Okay, all right, so we'll find out more about that tomorrow as well. Are killer whales going to be where we're going to be tomorrow?
No.
Why not?
Wait. I think so.
Okay, what do whales eat? Somebody wants to know. Tell us what whales eat. Do you know? Have you looked at that yet?
They eat fish, squid, seals, sea lions, large whales like the blue whale.
Wow. I didn't know that.
Probably humans.
Oh. Okay, I hope we don't see them tomorrow, okay? All right. Yes, sir. One last one. Anybody else? Oh, geez. Okay, hold on. Let's get somebody that hadn't had a chance yet. Let's go right here. Yes, ma'am.
I chose the porpoise. I chose it because it sounded interesting, and porpoise means pigfish, and its head is sort of shaped like a pig's head, and it is not a dolphin because it has a round snout, and it eats squid, octopus, and fatty fish.
Awesome. You got all of that from your research, and you did a Prezi on that as well?
Yes, sir.
And that's your first time doing a Prezi as well?
Yes, sir.
What did you like about it?
Well, you can add background music, and you can add pictures, and you can type stuff in different places wherever you want, so I thought that was pretty cool.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. And if somebody just told us that if an animal does not have a predator, it's called an apex. Apex. So we'll remember that tomorrow when we go to our project-based learning at the beach, okay? Yes, sir.
I did my research on the fiddler crab.
Okay.
And the reason why I chose it was because I wanted to learn more about its habitat and how and what he eats. I just discovered that he eats plants when most crabs sort of like eat meat. I think that's true.
Okay.
But and it seemed pretty. The things that seemed pretty interesting was its habitat, what he eats, and that claw, the pincher or claw. We call it the claw because that thing it can grow to like 1 inch, 2 inch, or 5 inches long.
Excellent. So how big are fiddler crabs? How big are they again?
Their claws can grow up to 1 inch, 2 inch, or 5 inches long.
Does anything eat that kind of crab? Do you know?
Most of these sea creatures that we talked about eat my animal, which is a shame.
Yeah.
Which is a pretty bad shame. And you can also have these things as pets.
Oh, wow. So definitely the killer whale would eat that? Yeah. Okay. All right. So thanks a lot, guys. One right here. We're going to do the last one. Yes, sir.
I did my project on a sea turtle because sea turtles are technically rare because not a lot of them make it to the water when they hatch, and then birds come down and other animals eat them. And I also did it because sea turtles were around since the dinosaurs were here.
Excellent.
For over 1 million years.
All right.